Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Beer&Boxes. I am Kim. Today we are opening up another Stitch Fix and we are drinking some beer as well. This is the Samuel Adams Porch Rocker. And this is inspired by German cyclists who mix beer with lemonade after a tough ride. In Porch Rocker, we've brewed a golden Helles lager combined with a smooth effervescent lemonade that'll kick the heat out of any summer day. And it's 4.5% alcohol. I think I'm really gonna like this, but let's try. And I do really like it. This is delicious, simply delicious. There's nothing else to say about it. I'm gonna put it right here and I will not forget about it. So here's my Stitch Fix for the month of May. I've gotten quite a few recently and I haven't really kept anything, and I have like regrets slash, I don't know, maybe no regrets, I'm not sure. I'm not feeling it lately, the last couple boxes. So hopefully this box will revive my love for Stitch Fix. So mailer, welcome. And my burrito. Oh, this one looks more cute. Look at these. That's my little burrito. Let's just jump right in, shall we? Get some good stuff. Okay, so this time around I think I asked for all shirts because I have a lot of jeans, and I did like the shorts that they sent last time, but they were just too expensive. So I think I'm gonna try to find shorts on my own, outside of Stitch Fix, because they're just too expensive. So this first shirt is this lovely green top, and it's got this back detailing that's really pretty, with like a silver little ring connecting everything. It's from Paper Moon, and it's called the Ampton Back Detail Knit Top, and this is in dark green, a size medium. So it's just really pretty, I think, and it's very soft. I don't usually go for like the back detailing or anything, but this is just like a simple green shirt that it's like a jade, which is one of my favorite colors. So off to a good start. Here is, ooh, another top. It's actually a blouse. And it is 41 Hawthorne. It's the Dolores scallop neckline blouse in black. And it's a medium. It's got some polka dots. I think it's gray and white, maybe? I don't know, you guys tell me. And it is like a scalloped neckline, which is really pretty. It's just like a flowy little blouse. I'm not a huge fan of blouse material, but if I love it, you never know. So next we have another blouse. It is from West Key. It's the Ariel tie front blouse in blue. So here is the blouse. It's actually got like a cuffed sleeve, and yeah, it's interesting. It's kind of a unique pattern. It's a springy pattern, I guess. And then what else do we have? All right, so this is Emery Park. It's a medium. It's a Dolce quarter-length sleeve brush knit top in brown, and it is very soft, I will say. And it, again, it has like that front cross detail. So this feels very, very soft. But it is a little, like a sweater. So, I don't know, we'll see. We shall see, because it is May. And it's supposed to be getting warm. Hopefully it's getting warm. Okay, and then the last item is this jacket. It is it's Just USA, and it's a medium. And does it say anything? It's a Jana frayed trim cropped denim jacket in white. And it does have the fray at the bottom. It's just like a nice summer jacket. And the fraying on the collar as well. So I will try all of these shirts on. It should be pretty easy and quick, and then we'll go into the prices. Okay, so I've tried the white jacket on and the print blouse. I will tie front blouse. I will give you guys a better look in just a second. Okay, so here is the frayed hem white jacket. I like the length on the sleeves. And then this blouse is very cute. It's a funky pattern, but I think I might be over tie front tops. I don't know. I haven't decided. I like them in theory. Let's see what they would look like. It would look like without the tie front. I think I might like that better. What do you guys think? Besides this little hole where my belly is. Let's see. Okay, so here is the lightweight brown quarter-length sleeve top with the crisscross detail. I actually really like this color, and I like the way that it like scoops and then scoops again. I like that in a shirt. And it's super soft and lightweight, so maybe like on a chillier spring day or an evening, it would come in handy. It's nice. The only thing is, if it were to shrink at all, these are high-rise pants, by the way, it might be too short in the scoopy part. Okay, so I did not want to like this shirt, but it is so comfy and cute, and just like you'll see. It fits like perfectly, and I love the like way that these sleeves hit my arms that make them look like feminine and pretty. And then I love the scalloping right here. I wasn't a fan of the color, but it's actually fine. I like it. And it just fits so well. I don't wear business clothing because I wear scrubs to work, but I think I could find some use for this. Let me know what you guys think, like with like a gold chain or something right here. It would be so cute. Is this a peekaboo? I don't think it is. No, so it's just straight. But there's that one. Okay, so here is the last shirt. It's the like emerald back crossy like just jersey shirt. This is what it looks like. And I am wearing a bralette, so it kind of ruins the mood in the back, but just kind of like use your imagination. And it's not very forgiving up here with my bralette, so wrong choice of underwear. So that's that one. It's kind of hard to tell the color just because of my background, but I love this color. It's one of my favorite colors. That went down the wrong pipe. Oh, okay, so I'm back. And let's go over the prices. Oh, first, let's see what she says, because the last 2 boxes I sent all of that back. She said, I saw your note with some help and ideas for me. Thanks for giving such great feedback to help fill in the boxes with the best styles. She picked great neutral pieces that she hopes will fill the gap in my closet. Let's get into the prices. Okay, so the brown Dolce quarter length sleeve brush knit top is $38. The 41 Hawthorne scallop top that I like so much is $58. The Just USA denim jacket is $64. The tie front blouse, the West Key one, my son calls it a cupcake shirt, is $44. And then this Paper Moon tie knit detailed top is, it's actually Ampton back detail knit top, is $34. So altogether it would be $238. If you buy it all, you get about $59.50 taken off of that, being $178.50. So $178.50 for all of those pieces. And then I do have $49 worth of credit that would be applied to that if I bought it all, just because I purchased the Style Pass for $49 and it's still on there. So $129.50 total if I bought everything. I probably won't buy everything, but I really, really liked that scallop blouse. And I'm not sure. So again, I'll have to think about it. What did you guys like? What do you think I should keep? All that jazz. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and just keep watching for more videos because I'm gonna bring them. Also, if it's nice this Memorial Day outside, grab one of these beers because it is so yummy and so delicious. I'm not lying. See ya.